Top 50 important weekly current affairs from 22nd to 31st March 2026 for TNPSC and other competitive exams. Now, let's go through this week's important updates. First question. How many Indian languages are recognized under the Sahitya Akademi Awards 2025? Correct answer, 24. Next question. Who won the Sahitya Akademi Award 2025 in English for the novel Crimson Spring? Correct answer, Navtej Sarna. Next question. Who received the Sahitya Akademi Award 2025 in Hindi for the memoir Jeete Ji Allahabad? Correct answer, Mamta Kalia. Next question. Who won the Sahitya Akademi Award 2025 in Tamil for literary criticism? Correct answer, Sa Tamil Selvan. Next question. Which Indian state is associated with the discovery of the lichen moth species Colosira hollowai? Correct answer, Sikkim. Next question. Which Indian state is associated with the discovery of the lichen moth species Asurabaksa? Correct answer, West Bengal. Next question. In which district of Tamil Nadu is the Neo Tidal Park project being developed to boost IT growth? Correct answer, Tirunelveli. Next question. What is the name of the mobile-based application launched to streamline snake rescue operations in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, Nagamap. Next question. What is the name of the marriage assistance initiative introduced by the government of Tamil Nadu to support economically weaker families? Correct answer, Talikku Tangam scheme. Next question. In which year was the Moovalur Ramamirtham Ammayar Memorial Marriage Assistance Scheme launched? Correct answer, 2011. Next question. Which campaign has been launched in India to eliminate child marriage across the country? Correct answer, Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat. Next question. In which Indian state's grasslands of Manas National Park was the new plant species Osbeckia zubingargiana discovered? Correct answer, Assam. Next question. Which digital learning platform has been launched to provide free preparation resources for competitive exams in India? Correct answer, Sathi app. Next question. In which Indian state is the Kalshila wetland ecologically connected to Deepore Peel and facing illegal earth cutting located? Correct answer, Assam. Next question. What is the name of the innovative domain extension rollout initiative launched by the Reserve Bank of India that won the Initiative of the Year award at the 13th Annual Central Banking Awards in March 2026? Correct answer, .bank.in. Next question. Which Indian cricketer was appointed as the brand ambassador for the Bharat Interface for Money Payments application in 2026? Correct answer, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Next question. In which Indian state was the new earthworm species, Travida vahaniya, discovered in the Pichi Vahaniya Wildlife Sanctuary in March 2026? Correct answer, Kerala. Next question. What is the name of the policy launched by the Tamil Nadu government in 2026 to promote tree-based farming and rural livelihoods? Correct answer, Tamil Nadu Agroforestry Policy 2026. Next question. What type of resources are regulated under the Nagoya Protocol? Correct answer, genetic resources. Next question. Which country is recognized as the largest exporter of tulip bulbs globally and is often called the flower capital of the world? Correct answer, Netherlands. Next question. In which Union Territory of India is the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden, recognized as Asia's largest tulip garden, located? Correct answer, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. In which state is the Lower Kopali Hydroelectric Project, inaugurated to strengthen clean energy in northeast India, located? Correct answer, Assam. Next question. Which medieval dynasty from Odisha is linked to the Telugu inscription found in the Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple at Guntur? Correct answer, Kajabadi dynasty. Next question. Which ministry launched the nationwide survey to map India's manuscript heritage? Correct answer, Ministry of Culture. Next question. Which national initiative aims to preserve, digitize, and disseminate India's manuscript heritage under the Ministry of Culture? Correct answer, Gyan Bharatam Mission. Next question. What type of atomic clock component failed in the IRNSS-1F satellite recently? Correct answer, rubidium atomic clock. Next question. What crucial measurement function does the atomic clock perform that forms the backbone of satellite navigation services? Correct answer, precise time measurement. Next question. What is the name of the scheme approved by the Union Cabinet in March 2026 to develop plug-and-play industrial parks in India? Correct answer, Bhavya. Next question. In which Indian state is the Kalinjar Fort Hill declared as a National Geoheritage Site by Geological Survey of India in March 2026 situated? Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which former Indian ambassador to France was conferred the Legion of Honor, Commander rank, in March 2026? Correct answer, Javed Ashraf. Next question. What is the name of the program launched to promote women entrepreneurship in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, Empower 1.0. Next question. Which navy leads the multinational naval exercise named Sea Dragon 2026? Correct answer, United States Navy. Next question. In which Indian state were two ancient petroglyphs discovered inside a rock shelter near Birappa Temple in Mancherivala? Correct answer, Telangana. Next question. In which Indian state is Silent Valley National Park where gynandromorphy was discovered in Vela Kali crab species located? Correct answer, Kerala. Next question. What is the name of the rare biological phenomenon where an organism displays both male and female traits? Correct answer, gynandromorphy. Next question. Gond painting, a GI tagged art form featured at Tribes Art Fest 2026, originates from which Indian state? Correct answer, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which Indian state emerged as the top textile exporter according to the Niryat data for the financial year 2024 to 2025? Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. Next question. In which Indian city and state was India's first LPG ATM launched by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited? Correct answer, Gurugram, Haryana. Next question. In which Indian state are the Babina field firing ranges where exercise Amog Jwala was conducted by the Indian Army in March 2026 located? Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who retained the top spot on the Forbes World's Billionaires List 2026 for the second consecutive year? Correct answer, Elon Musk. Next question. Who ranked as India's richest person on the Forbes World's Billionaires List 2026 with a net worth of USD 99.7 billion? Correct answer, Mukesh Ambani. Next question. Who was named the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize laureate on March 2026? Correct answer, Kave Madani. Next question. Who was conferred the honorary Knight Commander of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire by the UK government in March 2026? Correct answer, Natarajan Chandrasekaran. Next question. In which city will the World Indoor Athletics Championships 2028 be held in India? Correct answer, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Next question. What is the name of the grievance redressal system launched to address drinking water issues in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, Punal 1916. Next question. Which country has emerged as the world's largest coconut producer, contributing over 30.37% of global output? Correct answer, India. Next question. What traditional Indian name, meaning tree of heaven, is often used to refer to the coconut tree due to its multiple uses in food, oil, and industry? Correct answer, Kalpavriksha. Next question. India ranks at which position globally in terms of total metro network length with over 1,143 km of operational lines? Correct answer, third. Next question. Under which article of the Indian Constitution was the Supreme Court of India established? Correct answer, Article 124. Next question. What is the primary legislative objective of the Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill concerning offences categorized by severity across multiple laws? Correct answer, decriminalization of minor offences. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more current affairs videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.